Hello, it is Tutsona here, and today I would like to show you how to use the Content Aware Move and Extend tool, although it's actually called the Content Aware Move tool. So we'll just get that out now. To access it, you need to right click on this icon here, which is by default Spot Healing Brush tool, and you want to go down to Content Aware Move tool and select that. Now, there are two main things that the content-aware move tool does: move and extend. In fact, those are the only two things it does. So, how are you going to use it? You're asking. Well, it's very simple. If you want to move things, you need to go and you find the thing you want to move. So, for example, see this here. This is just a photo out of well, somewhere near where I live. I won't give you any exact places because I don't want you to come and stalk me. So see this ventilation, this chimney, whatever it is. I think we'll just call it ventilation because well, it seems like it'll work. And I want to move it. I want to move it so it's up there. However, it's not up there, is it? Obviously. The way I do this is by using the Content Aware Move tool, and I click. I draw a circle around it, and it'll show the selection like this, and I literally just want to drag it up here and line it up like so, and hopefully it should, using the content aware, move it. Now up this close it doesn't look as good. You can actually almost see the circle. However, when we zoom out, it is practically unnoticeable, and it looks like it was there all along. And this is the good thing about the Content Aware Move tool. It's very efficient. Now we can try it with this shaft here, just by doing the same thing again, like so. However, this time the window here is very close, and I do have a worry that Content Aware is going to try and fill the gap with a part of this yellow colour. However, I will have faith, and if it does do that, I will show you how to fix it. So we'll drag that up, and it did a very good job. In fact, it did an arguably better job than the other one. If we zoom out again, we can see that it has been moved up, and that looks pretty nice. I'm not going to lie to you. Now this is pretty good. This is pretty good. Now you may notice there's a kind of a color disfiguration there, but you can just blur off the edges of that. I'm sure you can all do that. Slight color, you can just color correct it. So that is how we move things. This works with most objects. If I find something in the grass that I don't like, let's see if I can find something on this picture that I don't like, that I'd like to move. There's not actually, oh my gosh, there's not actually that much that I'd like to move. Actually, yeah, that's a bit weird. Oh yeah, this little light down here, I want to move this little light. So once again, it's just draw a circle around and drag it up. And the light has moved. That is, very good, very good. Okay, now, one thing, and now here's what is that it has left a small mark here. That's because I didn't draw the circle well enough. If things like this come up, the best way to fix it is just go Healing Brush tool, Alt, and then click on a spot with a similar colour, and then just draw over it. That fixes it up very nicely. Okay, so now we know how to move things with the Content Aware Move tool. You're probably wondering, how do I extend things? What is this extend function? Well, what the extend function does is it extends. It extends. That's what it does. It extends things. So what it does is it takes the original and it copies it. It copies it to a new place. Rather than move it, it copies it. So I can draw a circle around this and draw it over here, and then we'll have two of them. Oh wait. wait, no, because I've still got it on move. If I go on extend, do it again, we'll now have 2 of them as opposed to 1. And, you know, they're both okay. This isn't working too well because of the lines, but it will work on things like grass, etc. But the extends tool creates 2 as opposed to 1. It can also extend lines, obviously. So what you want to do, I want to extend this line. I think this line should come out to about here. So what I need to do is draw a circle around the end of this line, like so, and I want to drag that, just drag it there, extending the line out, and I let go, and I'll unselect, that's Control T to unselect, and look, that line has been extended. I'll do that again, and let's see how far I can extend it, because the extension tool is pretty neat. There we go, just drag that out to there. Once again, Control T. Wait, shoot! I didn't swear. That's extended it out again. It's pretty neat. So that is the content to where move and extend tool explained. And yeah, that's all I have for you today. I hope you find use with it. You can remove people from pictures. You can add people to pictures. In fact, there are many things you can do. It's all very nice. That's all for today. I will see you later. Goodbye.